You're looking at my possibles bag. Yeah. I carry this with me everywhere I go. Insect repellent, number one. Number two, I carry me little groceries in there, little bunny hunt. Carry me something to clean up with. If the call of nature. Ammunition, must have it. Piece of rope, always. Little something to freshen your knife up with. Ridge lighter. Compass. Lens cleaner. And if you look in here, you see this little pocket, it's full of fire sticks. Because you got to have fire. We got a Letterman here. In case we need some tools. We got a roll of Velcro here in case I need to secure something. I don't really use my rope. And that's pretty much it. That's what I'm carrying in here. It's possibles bag. And possible bags have been around forever. Because it's always a possibility you might need something that's in there. Now, this old bag here, it's about wore out. I just got me a net and I need to do some sewing on it. Put the straps on. But suffice it to say, it's a beautiful thing, this possible bag. Because it's always a possibility you get in a bind. No matter what, I got this with me. All the time. Possibles, baby. Possibility might need them. From the hooch. I want to thank y'all for watching. Otaka. Otaka, my brothers and sisters. From the big woods. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bless all of you. Later.